Your DNA is 50% identical to a banana, but you're not yellow. And you definitely don't grow on a tree.
Wait, what? I'm related to a banana? So, what exactly is DNA? And how does a tiny molecule decide whether you become a human or a fruit?
Good question. Let's find out. Mito and Chondria presents. Every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to a blue whale, carries a set of instructions inside its cells. These instructions tell the body how to grow, how to function, and what to look like. That set of instructions is DNA.
So, it's like a recipe book?
Exactly. DNA is the recipe book. Each gene is a single recipe, and the dishes it makes are proteins. Your body has around 20,000 genes, and together they make you, you.
What does this manual actually look like? Like a book? A scroll? A USB drive?
Imagine a ladder.
A ladder? That's boring.
Wait for it. The two sides of this ladder, they're made of sugar and phosphate. Think of them as the strong rails that hold everything in place. Now the interesting part, the steps. Each step is made of two chemical letters that snap together like puzzle pieces, and there are only 4 letters, A, T, G, and C.
4 letters? The whole human body?
A only connects with T. G only connects with C.
What if A tries to go with G?
Doesn't work. They don't fit. Like the wrong puzzle pieces. Now take this ladder and twist it into a spiral. That twisted shape is called a double helix, and that is DNA.
Okay, so DNA is this beautiful twisted ladder, but where is it? Where do you keep something this important?
Inside every cell in a special place called the nucleus. If you zoom into any cell in your body, you'll find a nucleus at the center. And inside that nucleus, your DNA is packed tightly into 46 bundles called chromosomes.
Wait, all of your DNA fits inside that tiny thing?
If you stretched out the DNA from just one cell, it would be about 2 meters long.
2 meters? In one cell?
And by the way, we have our own DNA too.
That's right. Mitochondria have their own little instruction manual, but that's a story we already told. Okay, so DNA is inside the nucleus, packed into chromosomes, but what does it actually do in there? Just sit around?
Not at all. DNA has one big job. It tells the cell how to build proteins.
Proteins? Like chicken breast?
Well, that's one kind. But proteins do almost everything in your body. They build your muscles, speed up chemical reactions, fight infections, carry oxygen. Without proteins, nothing works. But here's the thing, DNA never leaves the nucleus. It's too important. So when the cell needs to build a protein, DNA sends out a copy of the instructions.
A copy? Like a photocopy?
Exactly. That copy is called messenger RNA, or mRNA. It carries the recipe from the nucleus out to a tiny factory called a ribosome. The ribosome reads the mRNA step by step and assembles the protein piece by piece.
So DNA is the original recipe book that stays in the safe, mRNA is the photocopy, and the ribosome is the kitchen?
Now you're getting it.
So every human has DNA, same 4 letters, same double helix. But if we all use the same alphabet, why does everyone look different? Why don't we all look the same?
Because it's not about the letters, it's about the order. Rearrange the same 4 letters and you get completely different instructions.
So my DNA is like nobody else's?
Exactly. You get half from your mother and half from your father. That combination has never existed before and never will again.
So that banana from the beginning?
50% of your genes are similar, but the other 50%, billions of letters arranged differently, that's what makes you a human and not a fruit.
Good. I like having arms.
So now you know. DNA is the instruction manual hidden inside every cell of your body. 4 simple letters, A, T, G, and C, arranged in a unique order that makes you, you.
But wait, what happens when DNA makes a mistake while copying itself?
That is called a mutation, and that's our next video.
Ooh, sounds dramatic.
If you don't want to miss it, subscribe, and if this video helped you understand DNA, let us know.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye!